Tell me your craziest 1 in a million story. Something that happened to you that you just can't believe was real.
Well, I survived the White Island eruption in December of 2019. What's crazy for me is that out of 20 people that were left for over an hour and a half waiting for help on the island, I'm only 1 out of 2 survivors. That's 10%, and it haunts me every single day. You know, it leaves me questioning why me all the freaking time. That's the photo I took, not realizing the danger. And then here's this video that my sister took.